So the parrot here has questions. So what's your question, parrot?
Can you label this diagram?
This one right here?
Yes.
Okay. So for A right here, that A right here is gonna be a hydrogen atom, okay? B right here is gonna be an oxygen atom. Okay? C is gonna be a hydrogen atom. Okay? D is gonna be a positive charge. You see how it connects right here? Those are positive charges going back and forth. E right here, it's gonna be a negative charge. Okay? F right here, it's gonna be a hydrogen bond. And this one, G, is gonna be a polar covalent bond. That's the first part. So you have a question? What is it?
List and briefly describe the three properties of water that are due to hydrogen bonding that are listed in our notes.
Well, A is gonna be surface tension, okay? B is gonna be low vapor pressure, and C is gonna be adhesion and cohesion.
Great job! True or false? Water is an example of a nonpolar molecule.
False.
Good one.
Any other questions?
You were at dinner. You put Italian dressing, oil, and vinegar onto your salad. Why did you shake the salad dressing first?
Vinegar is polar, while oil is nonpolar.
Which of the following are more likely to be able to dissolve in water? Nonpolar covalent molecules like N2, polar covalent molecules like NH3, ionic compound like NaCl, both A and B, or both B and C?
Honestly, I'm gonna have to go with B on this one. Polar covalent molecule like NH3.
Wow, you're doing great. When ice floats in water, it is due to...
Lower density of ice.
Good. When an insect rests on top of liquid water, it is due to...
The high surface tension.
What does a surfactant do to water, and why are surfactants so important during a pandemic like the coronavirus?
That's a good question. A surfactant interferes with the hydrogen bonding between water molecules and thereby reduces the surface tension. The coronavirus sticks to our hands because soap is a surfactant. The surfactant tension is going to break up the coronavirus on our hands.
Great. What is the difference between a solute and a solvent? How would you know which is which?
A solvent dissolves a solute, and a solute becomes dispersed in the solvent. You can tell them apart by which one dissolves into the other.
Good answer. Using salt water as an example, identify the solute and solvent based on what you said in the question above.
Water is the solvent, okay? And salt is the solute. If you pour salt into water, the salt dissolves into the water.
Incredible. Explain the one way you could get a saturated solution to dissolve even more salt.
You would heat up the water, and the solubility would increase as it is shown on page 475 in your textbook.
Great reference. What are the units for expressing solubility?
Grams of solute and 100 grams of solvent.
You are late for school and in a hurry. You add a sugar cube to a cold cup of coffee. List the three things according to our notes that you could do to make the sugar dissolve faster.
You need hotter coffee, okay? And then what you need is put pressure on the cubes and weigh them down so they go towards the bottom so they dissolve from all around. And then if you and then you start stirring them up, they'll start dissolving more because more heat.
Final question. You add salt to warm water and find that it dissolves 36.2 grams, but then it won't hold anymore. At that time, the solution is considered
Saturated.
good job. I'm so proud of you.
Why are you proud of me? I'm proud of you for asking questions.
Good one.